Hi, my name is Eugene. We're at WrapFest 2023. I want to take you through preparing film and installing film on a vehicle. First, you prepare the patterns on ProCut. Select your vehicle's patterns, send them to your plotting cutter and cut them out. After that, you'll weed all the excess film around your patterns out. Lay your film up on an adjacent panel or a weeding board and peel the backing sheet away from the film, exposing the adhesive. Spray your slip solution over the adhesive to ensure that the film will land wet onto the panel. Also wet the panel, then place your film and align the first tack points. Spray your tack solution into the corner where you're going to put your first tack points and squeegee out those tack points, and then stretch the film towards the next tack point, and again spray your tack solution in there, tack it out. Stretch out the final stretch towards the front of the vehicle, and again tack solution, squeegee out all the water and seal the edges. You should go through the edges, make sure that you seal them well, ensure that no edges are lifted by putting a heat gun over it, pressing it down. Check for air pockets, check for lines, check for water pockets. Always ensure that these are removed immediately after installation so they don't get sealed into the installation and cure into that position.